Yes, Nirmala ji. बैठिए, बैठिए. Yes. Yes, Nirmala ji. ठीक है, आप भी मुस्कुरा रही तो मुस्कुराने का अधिकार है, बैठिए. हर कोई एक्सप्लेनेशन की, उन्होंने ऑब्जेक्शन कुछ नहीं लिया, बैठिए. निर्मला जी का नाम लिया है मैंने निर्मला जी का नाम लिया है.
I'm following.
I am sorry, please.
Madam Speaker,
Yes.
thank you for giving me this
आप
opportunity.
बैठिए होगे, अभी तो बोलने दो उनको.
You have given me this opportunity because
Yes.
the honorable member from Congress,
Please, please.
honorable member Shri Rahul Gandhi,
Yes.
mentioning the defense minister's
Yes.
statements referred to me, and thank you for giving me
Yes.
this opportunity. On the secrecy clause, I'd like to show it before you, and I've submitted it
Yes.
for your consideration.
Yes.
It's an agreement which was signed during the previous government in the year 2008, 25th January 2008, agreement of secrecy, which is an umbrella agreement, which was signed by the then Honorable Defense Minister A.K. Antony.
Please.
And this agreement,
पहले सुनो तो सही ठीक ढंग से. Yes.
and this agreement clearly mentions that under Article 10, as per the, I'm reading this, as per the Article 10 of the Intergovernmental Agreement between Government of India and Government of France on the purchase of Rafale aircraft, the protection of the classified information and materials exchanged under the IGA shall be governed by the provisions of security agreement signed on 25th January 2008. And that's the agreement I'm showing before you let me finish. And that's the agreement which I'm showing you with the signature of the then Honorable Raksha Mantri, Shri A.K. Antony. It is that which we are following. And again, madam, the Honorable member also referred to a conversation with him and the President of the Republic of France. We don't know what transpired between the two, but permit me, without naming the media house, I would like to say, in one of his interviews, he has said, when we asked, that media house asked the French president if, ma'am, please allow me to say it because it's a serious, serious reference. It's a serious reference made to me. It is a conversation between the honorable member and the President of France, about which I am not privy. However, I am referring here, and this can be verified. I am referring here, just as I've given you a copy of the agreement, I am referring here to a particular interview in which the honorable member has said to an Indian media house, I am not naming the media house, that if the French, when it was asked, the French president, if commercial details about Rafale could be revealed, the question was asked, if the French president said, if the commercial details about Rafale could be revealed, Macron, and he can talk, the honorable member can say,
Please listen to it. Now, no. Let her explain fully now. I'm sorry, yes.
The honorable member could a very senior member here, please.
आप बोलिए।
Madam Speaker, you have called me. Madam Speaker, you have called me.
Yes.
And I've been referred to it. My name has been taken here and I'm referring. When the question was asked, if the French president, if commercial details about Rafale could be revealed, the French president in that interview to an Indian media house has said, and this is what I've been very clearly taking from the inputs that I've received from my people, is you have these commercial agreements. This can be double checked with the media. You have these commercial agreements, and obviously this is the French president's words. You have these commercial agreements, and obviously you have competitors. Obviously you have competitors, and we can't let them know details of the deed. This is what the French president has said to an Indian media house, and what he said to the honorable member is immaterial here. There is no record, no proof, and he's just thrown it at me. Absolutely wrong. Thank you, ma'am.
It's okay. Not like this, I can't. I'm sorry. आपका नाम नहीं लिया था, आप देखिए, नहीं तभी होता है। आप तो बैठ जाइए। नहीं, आपका कोई संबंध नहीं था, नहीं।
क्लैरिफिकेशन पे क्लैरिफिकेशन थोड़ी होगा, आप मैंने इसको बुलाइए तो क्लैरिफिकेशन होगा।
उन्होंने अपना क्लैरिफिकेशन, इन्होंने कोई आरोप नहीं लगाया है। नो क्लैरिफिकेशन उन्होंने दिया है उनका। बैठिए, आप सब लोग बैठिए। आपको आप लोग बैठिए। नो नथिंग, वो केवल क्लैरिफिकेशन, उनको कोई आरोप नहीं है, उस पर अगेन कोई बात नहीं हो सकती है। आई एम सॉरी, नो नथिंग विल गो ऑन रिकॉर्ड, नथिंग विल हैपन। आपका नाम ही नहीं लिया था, क्यों बार बार बोलेंगे आप? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, दिस इज नॉट प्रॉपर। आप अलग से भाषण कर सकते हो, आपके पास समय है। आप क्या बोलोगी? बोलिए। हाँ बोलिए। आप केवल मुस्कुरा रही थी, बोला तो वो भी नहीं बोलना।
मैडम देखिए, जब ये जो यहाँ पे मेरे बारे में मेरा नाम भी लिया, मुझे भी बोलने का मौका मिलना चाहिए।
बोलो।
मैडम ये सांसद है, ये मुन्ना भाई का पप्पी झप्पी एरिया नहीं है।
आप भी मत बोलो।
इन्होंने बहुत लंबा चौड़ा भाषण दिया, पंजाब में जाके 70%
बातें, आप बाकी बातें मत करो प्लीज।
सदन ये जानना चाहता है। सरकार ने मैडम
भाषण नहीं दे रही हो आप, प्लीज बैठिए। टी वेणुगोपाल जी, यू स्टार्ट इट। टी वेणुगोपाल, नो क्लैरिफिकेशन। यस, नो क्लैरिफिकेशन। इसमें कोई, आई एम सॉरी। दोनों की बातें रिकॉर्ड में गई है, उनका क्लैरिफिकेशन गया है, आपका भी भाषण गया है। अब इस पे और क्लैरिफिकेशन नहीं हो सकता है कुछ। कोई मिसलीड नहीं किया है। आप अपने भाषण में, दूसरे भाषण में बोलिए। अब बार बार एक ही बात नहीं उठती। टी वेणुगोपाल जी, नो नथिंग विल गो ऑन। आप बैठिए, नहीं कोई बात नहीं, कोई किसी को नहीं बात होगी। टी वेणुगोपाल जी, यू स्टार्ट। कोई पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्लैरिफिकेशन पे क्लैरिफिकेशन नहीं होगा। भाषण करने का मौका मिलेगा तब आप बोलिए, ऐसा नहीं होता है। नहीं, उन्होंने केवल पहली डील की बात करी है। आई एम सॉरी, कोई किसी पर गलत आरोप नहीं है, कोई बात गलत नहीं कही गई है। क्या है, आप बैठ जाइए। नो पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर। आई एम सॉरी, आप हर कोई चिल्लाएगा तो मैं किसी की नहीं सुन पाऊंगी। आपका क्या, हर एक का पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर नहीं होता। आप बैठिए।
हमने अखबारों में पढ़ा था कि राहुल गांधी जी,
आप बैठिए। नहीं, मैंने आपको अलाउ नहीं किया। आई एम नॉट अलाउड यू ऑल्सो। आई एम नॉट अलाउड। आई एम नॉट अलाउड। आई एम नॉट अलाउड यू। चंदू बाजवा, बैठ जाइए, बैठ जाइए। आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज बैठिए। नो, आई विल नॉट गो अहेड। आपको बैठना पड़ेगा। जब मैं आपकी बारी आएगी आप सब बातें बोलिए। पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर नहीं होता है। आप सब लोग सुनिए। आप बैठिए ना, पहले आप बैठिए। अच्छा, क्या है, क्या नंबर बोलो आप, क्या नंबर है? यस, हाँ, 368 क्या है? क्या है?
Madam, kindly see rule 368. If a minister quotes in the house a dispatch or other state paper which has not been presented to the house, the minister shall lay the relevant papers on trial, provided that the rules shall not apply to any documents which are stated by the minister to be such a nature that their production would be inconsistent with the public interest.
Yes.
Provided further that, why I mean, kindly read second proviso. Provided further that, where a minister gives in his own words a summary gist of dispatch or state paper, it shall not be displayed to him. Therefore, madam, a confidential document between of the government cannot be said, cannot be presented by the defense minister. Certainly not. They don't have, they cannot place it before the parliament itself.
जी मंत्री
They cannot place it before the parliament itself.
प्लीज बैठिए। पहले एक का उत्तर हो जाए। बैठिए, बैठिए। आप सब लोग, आप बैठिए ना। एक पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर तो हो जाने दीजिए। केवल वही काम करोगे रात को 8 बजे तक। Yes, what you want to say? He's saying it is a confidential thing.
I want to answer that.
Yes.
There are no documents of state secrecy here. It's an intergovernmental agreement for which the member referred. I've showed you the proof that it has been signed by the... Oh my God.
ये थोड़ी डिसाइड करेगा कौन बोलेगा कौन नहीं बोलेगा, ये डिसाइड करेगा।
Nobody will speak now. Nothing is going on record. Yes, Minister.
Ma'am, he raised the point of objection. He raised the point of objection. I'm telling you, there are no documents of statecraft here. It is an agreement which was signed by the former minister with a date. I'm giving it to you, and there are no more state documents which I... No point shouting at me. No point.